Hi, I'm Mike, owner of Hometown Automotive. Check out our new state-of-the-art auto center. Hometown has all your auto needs covered under one roof, featuring complete auto repair, ASE certified mechanic, auto body shop, experienced iCar technicians, quick lube service, towing and recovery, professional auto detailing, and more. If you're looking for a new ride, check out our inventory of select pre-owned cars and trucks. Let the Hometown team keep your car running smooth and looking great. Experience the Hometown difference today.